Alrighty, welcome back. Now it's the very, very long process of fiberglassing, bonding, bondo, and sanding. So I'm gonna apply a first layer of fiberglass on all, and over there, and over there, and then just gonna wait for it to dry, and then tomorrow come back and start sanding stuff. I gotta say, never again. Alright, so seals are welded. Did all the work here. Welded all of this. I also did, but it was off camera because there's no point on me trying to show. The holes that were here at the very bottom, I put a plate on that's fixed. That's it. No more rust holes, no more patching. Now it's time to do body filler and a whole lot of sanding. Okay, as you can see, a lot of gunk has been applied on all sides. And now I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. It's gonna be until tomorrow, and then I am going to sand it all down so that the marks are not visible. Not visible, like you cannot feel with touch. And then I'm gonna apply Bondo onto it, several layers, and with a lot of sanding, and then more Bondo and more sanding until I get this all in a position that I like, and then prep for paint. So, see you guys tomorrow. Back after basically a week without touching it. So this Bondo is dry, so now it's the everlasting sanding task. So yeah, I have to sand all of this, and hopefully I'll only need to put one coat of Bondo and I can do actually some other stuff today. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so I sanded this down and I can still feel a little low point around here and a low point around here. Everything else seems to be okay. Maybe a little low point or high point here. And in here, everything feels very good. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a coat of primer, because with the primer, I'll be able to see where those high points and low points are, and that will give me a better idea of where to put more fiberglass or not. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, on this side, it's pretty straightforward. Got these ones here, and some markings here, and some markings here. This is also because I need to put sealant, because I need to do this here, and this area here. As also I need to put sealant because it reacts with the paint and it gives you that halo marks that I have on the other side. Either way, I got to sand this. I also have, let me zoom out a little bit. You can see this rough line here. I need to sand that down as well. And there's some markings here, here, and here. So yeah, I'm gonna wait until this paint dries, sand it down a little bit just to take the paint off, and then apply more fiberglass. Anyway, I'm done for today. I'm absolutely exhausted. So yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. You all take care.